Hey guys, I'm making this video just to inform you about latest Super Zoom King from Nikon, its features, specification and availability. 4 months ago I made a video packed with rumors and news about Nikon Coolpix P1000. Many people didn't believe that this will become true. I'm happy to announce that Coolpix P1000 is officially out there. It was announced about 1 week ago and it's a noticeable step forward in super zoom market. It turns out camera will have crazy 125x optical zoom, that's 24 to 3000 mm in 35 mm equivalent. That's something, considering Nikon Coolpix P900 had 83x optical zoom. Honestly, I didn't expect that. I thought that 100x optical zoom rumor was little bit more likely. Fortunately, I was wrong. Other features worth mentioning include 16 megapixel 1/2.3 inch sensor, 125x optical zoom lens as I said, 24 to 3000 mm with f2.8 to 8 aperture, 5-stop optical image stabilization, 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, RAW format support, 2.36 million dot OLED viewfinder, 3.2-inch articulating screen. Huge possibilities are on par with weight. It won't be small and light. In fact, it weighs almost 1.5 kilograms and it's as big as professional DSLR. Unfortunately, same goes for price. It won't be cheap. Right now it's $999 at pre-order, but I think its performance may justify the price. From what I know, shipping date will begin in September 2018, so we will wait a little bit more to see this one. I really can't wait to get my hands on this camera. I'm curious to see how it compares to Coolpix P900, but more on that later. Please support my channel, subscribe and share this video so I could do review of this beast on my channel in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.